Hey, what's good with y'all, man? This is Eric. I'll be your host today. And
with his lovely assistant, Milky.
With my lovely assistant, Milky. And today we're going to be putting together this computer table. Appreciate y'all for watching. Even if you don't watch the whole video, if you only watch a second, a minute, or whatever. If you do watch the whole video, that's cool. But we're going to go ahead and jump into this. I ain't about to bore y'all with me talking all day. All right?
He thought it was a real spider?
Well, look at it. What's on your feet, brother? Yeah, get a plastic bag for me. So you put the styrofoam or something? No. Here.
What? Aaron.
Alright, hold on a second. I'm gonna move it over here so we can get a different angle.
And this right here is the finished product. We got the table together. And I know I just said one of my lovely assistants, but actually we had an additional lovely assistant help me, right? So it's all three of us together. We put this together. I can't take all the credit. If you want to do something like this by yourself or with your family, I mean, that's your business. Now, the book says 2 people minimum will probably help you get done faster. But if you got more people that's willing to help you, apparently that will probably be a good thing for you.
The more
This
the merrier.
does come with an instruction manual. So, you know, pretty much you just read that and then boom, it'll basically let you know everything you need. All the pieces are included. So, you'll be good to go with that.
The more the merrier.
Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you watched to the end, that's great. If you just watched 2 seconds, that's cool too. But thank you nonetheless for watching me and my family do something constructive with our life together and build something.
What do you mean?
Be easy.
Be easy. It's daughter.